how to use Chime virtual card anywhere. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use your Chime virtual card anywhere. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Chime app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, click on the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the section labeled debit card and select your card. Over here, you'll see your virtual card, including the expiration date, security code, and card number. You can now use this information for online transactions. If you want to use it for in-store purchases, simply add it to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Enter all the card information and you'll be able to use it in stores just like any other card in your digital wallet. Make sure your account and card are verified. So that's basically how you can use your Chime virtual card anywhere. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.